In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create country-specific pages in Wix. By the end, you'll have localized pages for each market that feel tailored, look professional, and are ready to rank. First, open your Wix editor, log in, head to My Sites, and click Edit Site on the website you want to update. Give the editor a moment to load so all your design tools are available. Next, create a new page for each target country. Open Menus and Pages, then select plus Website page. Name each page clearly so you can recognize it at a glance, like Home, USA, Home, UK, or Home, Australia. Clear naming helps you keep things organized as your site grows and makes it easier to manage navigation later. Now, customize the content on each page to match the country you're targeting. Update headlines and copy with local phrasing. Adjust images to reflect local settings or styles, and set pricing in the correct currency with any relevant taxes or symbols. Make sure your contact details direct users to the right local email, form, or office hours. If you're using a repeating layout, consider creating one master design that you duplicate for each country. This keeps things consistent and saves time while still allowing for localized tweaks. Before you go further, quick heads up. I've placed a link to Wix at the very top of the description so you can jump straight in if you're setting this up alongside the video. Let's optimize each page for search. Open the page SEO settings for every country page. Write a clear, compelling title tag that includes the country name or abbreviation. Craft a meta description that explains your value in a natural, inviting sentence or two. Think of it as your ad text on Google. Set a clean, readable URL, for example using a short country indicator. Avoid keyword stuffing. Clarity and relevance will serve you better in the long run. Preview your work on both desktop and mobile. Check that headings don't wrap awkwardly, images crop correctly, and buttons are easy to tap on smaller screens. Test links, forms, and any localized elements like currency displays to make sure everything behaves as expected. When you're confident everything looks and works the way it should, click Publish to make your country-specific pages live. After publishing, revisit your analytics over time to see which markets engage most and refine your content accordingly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.